Hello everyone, Dr. Mike Fleischer here with New Path Nutrition. The reason I put the screen behind me is that we are on a new path towards health. And that path, the one that I want to discuss with you, is about self-care. It's about self-love and it's about self-governance. It's about falling in love with feeling good. Because if you fall in love with feeling good, the path to your best health ever is right there for you to be able to grab. The question you need to ask yourself is, are you ready to reset, revitalize, and optimize your health? Because if the answer is yes, a big resounding yes, then falling in love with feeling good is the new path for you to choose. So let's talk about that briefly. Falling in love with feeling good will naturally reduce cravings for your processed foods, the junk foods that you're reaching for, and other unhealthy food choices. You will not need to diet, and you will not need to will yourself away from these unhealthy habits. What you simply need to do is complement a healthy lifestyle with a group of products that I've now endorsed called the Purium Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation. And I'm not trying to be some funny commercial here. It's just that this group of products sets the stage for you to, in fact, re-energize, reset, revitalize, and optimize, because each of the products within the Purium Ultimate Transformation have a role to play, a very important role to play. Whether they'll help you gently cleanse, lose weight, whatever it is that your goal is, you're setting for yourself, the reason it's called a lifestyle transformation is that these products will complement and create for you that new path towards a healthy lifestyle. So that's simply what I wanted to share. There's another video identified in the description below this video where Roxanne does a great job of identifying what each of these products does, what they look like, what they are, and they're all superfood resources. Highly dense nutrition, protein, green foods, foods that regenerate, repair, and rebuild your body from the ground up at the cellular level. So I don't want to go too deep here. I just wanted you to contemplate this question. Are you ready to reset, revitalize, and optimize your health? And lastly, and most importantly, are you ready to begin feeling good, falling in love with feeling good? So I'll see you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed the screen behind me. It's a metaphor, so to speak, for the new path ahead. Let me just add one more thing. In this time of COVID, there are two primary needs we all have. One is we need real food. We need to build that invisible force field against this very unfortunate pathogen that's come into all of our lives. The Purium Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation and its products does exactly that. It builds that invisible force field so you can feel more comfortable, feel more safe, and enjoy life as it should be. Life where you're feeling excellent and falling in love with feeling good. I'll leave you with that. Talk to you on my next video, everyone. Bye-bye now.